Hello students. Today we will solve these questions of just which came in exams 2026 January. Okay, so we are solving this question. And first question is, if the domain of the function log 18x square minus 11x plus 1 to the base 10x square minus 7x plus 7 is minus infinity to a and b to c and d to infinity minus e, then find 90 times of a plus b plus c plus d plus e. Okay, so we have to find the domain of this. तो जैसे इस टाइप के क्वेश्चन आए तो आपको देखना है कि पार्टिकुलर जो फंक्शन हमारा लॉग हो गया, एक्सपोनेंशियल हो गया, ट्रिग्नोमेट्री फंक्शंस हो गए, जो भी फंक्शंस हैं इनके हमें जो जनरल डोमेन है वो हमें हमेशा ध्यान रखना होता है। तो इसमें लॉग है तो हमें लॉग की प्रॉपर्टी पता होनी चाहिए कि जो लॉग की जो आर्गुमेंट है ये क्या होता है। लॉग का आर्गुमेंट हमेशा पॉजिटिव होता है। तो ये जो लॉग का आर्गुमेंट है ये क्या होगा, हमेशा पॉजिटिव होगा। सो विच मीन्स दैट 18x² माइनस 11x प्लस 1 विल बी ग्रेटर देन जीरो, स्ट्रिक्टली ग्रेटर देन जीरो। ओके, now let's factorize it, and this is 9 and 2, so this is going to be 18x square minus 9x minus 2x plus 1 greater than 0. So 9x 2x minus 1 minus times of 2x minus 1 minus 1. Okay, it's a minus 1 greater than 0. So you will get 2x minus 1 and 9x minus 1 greater than 0. Okay, so if you make the number line, this is going to be 1 by 2 here and 1 by 9 here. We want plus, minus and plus. So what does it mean? It means x belongs to minus infinity to 1 by 9 union with 1 by 2 to infinity. Okay, I think it is clear. Now which condition we have to put? It should be also very clear that this is the base and base is also positive. Base is positive and not equal to 1. Okay, base cannot be 1. So 10x square minus 17x plus 7 is greater than 0, and the same thing 10x square minus 17x plus 7 cannot be equal to 1. So we have to find x and take the intersection with this and find the value of a, b, c, d and e. So let's do it. So can you solve it? So 10 sevens are okay. So it is going to be 10 x square minus 10x minus 7x plus 7 greater than 0. Okay, so take 10x common, x minus 1 minus 7 common, x minus 1 greater than 0. So 10x minus 7 and x minus 1 greater than 0. Okay, and if you just take the help of this, what you will get? You will get 10x square minus 17x plus 6 not equal to 0. So now this is 6. So how you can factorize it? 6 and 10 and this is 6, 60 and 12. Okay, so 10. Okay, it's okay. So 10x square minus 12x minus 5x plus 6 not equal to 0. Okay, so this is going to be 5x. So you can take the 2x common and you will get 2x common, 5x minus 6 minus 1 common, 5x minus 6 not equal to 0, which means x cannot be equal to 1 by 2 and cannot be equal to 6 by 5. Okay, I think this is clear to you. Okay, so from this side you can do one thing, and that is x is equal to 1 and 7 by 10, plus, minus, and plus. We have to take only positive, which means x belongs to minus infinity to 7 by 10 union with 1 to infinity. This is the domain of this. Okay, now you have to keep one thing in mind, that we have to take the intersection of all these. Okay, because this is coming from the argument, this is coming from the base, this is coming from, these two are coming from the base. Now you can do one thing: minus infinity to 1 by 9 and minus infinity to 7 by 10. 7 by 10 is going to be 0 0.7, and this is going to be what, 0 0.1. Okay, so if you take the intersection of these two, what you can get, you can get this one. Okay, this one, and then 1 by 2 to infinity and 1 to infinity. Which one is, which one you have to choose? You have to choose 1 to infinity. So basically, take the intersection of these two and you will get common, and that is x belongs to minus infinity to 1 by 9 union 1 to infinity. And one thing you have to keep in mind, that is x cannot be 1 by 2 and cannot be 6 by 5. So 1 by 2, 1 by 2 is already out. Okay, and this 6 by 5, 1 point something, this cannot be, so minus 6 by 5. So this is the basically our domain. So 8 minus a to b, b to c, and d to infinity, and e. This is not coming like that. I think some little mistake. We have to 1 to, I think that's minus infinity to 1 by 9. So if you take the common part is going to minus infinity to 1 by 9, and that's fine. And then if you take the intersection, 0 0.5 and 0 0.7. Oh, one mistake we did. So 1 by 2 is going to be what, 0 0.5 and 0 0.7. Okay, so 1 by 2 to 7 by 10 is, oh, I did mistake. So one thing here will come, and that is union of 1 by 2 to 7 by 10. Okay, that will also come here. Okay, so take, just make the number lines and write all these things. So b a b c d and e, and we have to add all these and then multiply by 90. So let's do that. A is what? A is basically, A is going to be your, okay. So let's start it. So A is what? A is 1 by 9, B is 1 by 2, C is 7 by 10, D is 1, E is 6 by 5. So answer is going to be, let's write ABC, add all these and multiply by 90. So let's start it. Multiply by 90. A is 1 by 9, B is 1 by 2, C is 7 by 10, D is 1, and E is 6 by 5. Now, if you solve it, you will get what? 10 and 9. So, this is going to be 10 and 9. This is going to be 90. So, multiply by LCM is 90, and 10 plus 45 plus 63 plus 90, and this is going to be what, 108. These two get cancelled, and you will get what, 10 and 45, 55. So this is going to be 55 plus 3 and 108. Now if you add this 5, 3, 8, 8 and 8, 6 and 5, 5 and 1, this is 3. So 316. Okay. So 316 is the answer of this question. Okay. So question was very easy, not so much difficult. I don't say that this question was difficult, but yes, I would say that there was some calculation in this question and you had to do that calculation. So let's understand it. Okay. We have done just this thing. Argument is positive and then base is positive and base cannot be equal to 1. Just use this and then take the common part intersection of these two uh, inequalities and get this, and that's a b c d and e. Okay, so I hope it is clear to you, and let's take other very good question. And this is the question of calculus, and I know that your calculus is very strong, as students have good command over calculus, because calculus is very important part. Okay, so we cannot ignore the calculus. If we are ignoring calculus, calculus can ignore us. So uh, let's solve this question. Ft is function is given is strictly decreasing in interval this. So this function is strictly decreasing, and let's find the interval. So what you can do? T is negative. T is negative, so t cannot be 0 here. When you put to 0, something by 0 is infinity, and at minus 1, at minus 1, this is going to be what? This is going to be 0. So let's define like this. T belongs to less than 0, greater than minus 1, and other case is that t is less than minus 1. So in this case, your this is going to be positive, so ft is equal to t plus 1 divided by t square. Okay, so now this is going to be t plus
his prize, because I genuinely feel that he is the most genuine and most wonderful candidate for